Alright guys, welcome back to the DIY channel. So today I want to show you guys this quick trick to fixing these broken risers when the end of it's broke off down in there and you can't get it out. So I'm going to show you guys a trick I do. I take a simple butter knife right here and I get it really hot, and then I melt this butter knife down into there, and I make sure that I don't get it into the threads. So you want to make sure that it doesn't go into the threads, but you want to melt it down inside of there. Then you're basically going to take a pair of needle nose pliers like this, and you're going to grab onto this bad boy, and you're going to start working it out just like that. And then pretty soon it should be loose enough, and you should be able to just remove it. And there it is, just like that. So basically, you could pull it out real easy with just a butter knife and a lighter. And then remember to cut your new pipe clean, and then get some pipe tape, some Teflon tape, put the tape on and screw it back in. But that's basically how you remove the broken riser out of there real easily. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.